How to send money internationally with Western Union. Follow these instructions. Sign up or log in to Western Union online app, or visit an agent to begin your international money transfer. Select the country where you're sending money and choose how your recipient will receive it: cash, bank, or mobile wallet. Enter the recipient's details accurately, including their full name, bank account info, or mobile wallet number. Type the transfer amount, check fees, exchange rates, and see estimated delivery times before continuing. Pick a payment method: debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or cash if using a Western Union agent location. Review all details carefully, confirm your transfer, and get a unique money transfer control number, MTCN. Share the MTCN with your recipient. They'll use it with Valided to collect cash or confirm funds in their account. Thank you for watching.